Bitzag remote control helicopter looks almost exactly like its real-world counterpart. With the touch of a button, it flies high. It is also fitted with lights. The battery-operated remote control of this toy helicopter can be used to fly. Now I'll give you instruction to fly. Turn on the helicopter at first and then the indicator of helicopter will flashing. Turn on the remote control and then the indicator will light. Press the button on the remote and then it will start flying. Flying height 10 meter.